everyone, hope you all are doing very well. So today I will elaborate about what is discrete mathematics. What is that? So if I explain about this topic in a very short way, okay? So discrete mathematics is a branch of mathematics that deals with countable, distinct and separate objects rather than continuous ones. Okay, it includes topics like set theory, graph theory, combinatorics, number theory and logic. Okay, discrete mathematics is often used in computer science, cryptography and various areas of science and engineering to solve problems related to discrete or finite structure. Okay, so this is called discrete mathematics. Okay, I explain this topic in a very short way. Okay, if you really like my content, please go and subscribe, and it will be a big thanks for me if you like my video. Thank you so much. I'll be back soon with another more content. Okay, bye bye, take care, have a good day.